Hi, my name is Amir Shakib. I'm with Veilux Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to increase the frame rate. If you're using a VI monitor, you will notice that the frame rates are limited to 5 frames per second. So let me start my VI monitor to get the 9 cameras that I put up together. Select the 9 split. You'll notice that the cameras have a different frames. So how does one increase this? The first thing you're gonna do is you're going to go into computer, local disk or your C drive or your Windows are installed, program files, Veilux Enterprise, monitor station, scroll down, and you're going to open the monitor station. So for now, we're going to pause the VI monitor to conserve a CPU usage, and I'm using I believe I have an i5 Windows, so it doesn't have a lot of resource to run at the moment. By increasing the frame rates, you get more out of your system. You get more out of the cameras, but please know that it will increase your CPU encoding or CPU consumption. So what you need to do is, for this video, I'm gonna pause the live so I can speed up the recording frames. You're gonna go to administration at the top, setup and configuration. You're gonna expand your IP server. By the way, you don't have to do any setup. When you open monitor station, everything will come up. Then go to each camera and do the following thing. My camera 18, I know it's a 4 megapixel. So first thing you're gonna do is click the browser here. By default, if you have a 4 megapixel, the frame rate is 10. I would not recommend you increase the frame rate, but if you have to, go to stream, increase it from 10 to 19, apply, go to record here, increase the record also to 10, apply, go to advanced, and live frame per second, increase it from 5 to 10 for 4 megapixel. Save it. Now go to the next camera, which is 2 megapixel. We're gonna go to record. Actually, maybe it's 3 megapixel. Let's double check. Go to type your login info. Again, configuration, stream, base stream. It's 2 megapixel. Make sure it's 30 frames. Go to record, 30 frames. Apply where it says capture event. It's not necessary for this recording, but it will come in handy later. It's also covered with one of my videos. Go to advanced, change it to 15 frames. You can actually make this 20. It's up to you, but I like to keep it at 15 because the more cameras you have, the more you need to save the frame rate. So let's go to the next camera, 251. This one is a 4 megapixel. Let's double check again. Always do this for each camera. If you have all 2 megapixel cameras, you really don't have to do this, but it helps. Go to configuration, stream. It's 2 megapixel. We can actually increase that, as you can see, to 4 megapixel. Then what we have to do here, encoding to medium. We're gonna exit here, go here to dome, 4 megapixel dash I apply. Go to here, reduce this to 20, this to 10. This is 5 megapixel. We're gonna leave it at 10. We're gonna leave it at 10. Let's double check. We're gonna do this for each just so you can see what I normally do for my customers. 4 megapixel, 10 as as you can see, we did not make any change. We left it at 10. Go to 48. 2 megapixel, 30, 15. Again, log into it, double check. Stream, base, increase this to 30. Apply. Exit. Let's go to 56. Four megapixel. I think this is actually 5 megapixel, so leave it at 10, increase it to 10. Two, we're gonna make it 30, we're gonna make it 15. Open this, go to 78, same thing. 30, 15, and my last one. Also 30, 15. Also open. Seven is actually 4. Go back into here, open it, right click. Since I'm only doing one camera, you can actually right click and go to properties. We're gonna reduce this to 20, 10 for 4. Right click when you're done, restart. So quick note, so 2 megapixel, always use 30 frames for record, 15 frames per second for live, 3 same as 2 megapixel, 4 I do 20 record, 10 frames per second live, 5 megapixel, 10 record, 10 frames per second live. So let me just double check and restart it, and I'm gonna close this, open this up, log out, log back in. Have all my cameras up. Look at the trees. Remember, I'm using an i5 and I'm recording it, so it's not gonna be as clear as if you were running a Xeon processor or i7. But if we pause this and we go back to the monitor station, we can watch the playback to find the difference. So we'll do that in a minute. Give me 1 second. Monitor station. Let's pause this. Let's go to camera 3. Let's watch this recording here. Oh, that's actually a good camera. So let's see camera 1. See if there's any camera. Okay, here we go. There goes the movement. Alright, I'm gonna go and show you that it is recording. There you go. So if you do this, your cameras will be overwritten the default information, the frame rates, recording, and live. So please go try that for your cameras and give me feedback.